If you drink lemon and cucumber water every night before bed, what happens to your body? First, promote weight loss. Lemons and cucumbers are known for their ability to boost metabolism and burn unhealthy fats. They can also help reduce appetite and detoxify. This powerful detox drink helps rid the body of accumulated toxins and supports the normal function of organs and blood circulation. Secondly, your skin will be better. Cucumbers are good for the skin because they contain a high water content and a variety of vitamins and minerals. To aid digestion, this drink has digestive properties that promote healthy digestion, stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, reduce bloating, and relieve stomach pain. Reduce edema. Lemons and cucumbers are known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help reduce edema and regulate blood pressure. If you see this, please leave a cucumber comment and follow us for more tips and share this video with your friends.